What's up, y'all? I'm sitting here doing my makeup. I was like, you know what? Let's do a nice fall lip combo. Cute, sweet, short, simple. I'm about to go run some errands. I'm gonna put some makeup on it, do my makeup look. I'm feeling good. So, you guys know I don't have, hold on, let me get myself together here. I'm just sitting here looking. I don't have many dark lips. I do have like a couple of reds, but when it comes to red, I'm a little scared. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm a little scared because I don't feel it looks nice on me, even when it comes to like a darker lip. I very rarely wear a dark lip. I always wear like a nude lip combo. Well, I do. I wear nude lip combos. I will have a million variations of a nude lip combo. And if you know, if you was to like look in my like little area here, that's all I have. That's all I have. So let's get into it. I'm gonna use this Maybelline. This is a, what do they call these? This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. And the one that I'm using, I didn't even get into that. I'm just so quick here. It's called Protector. So we're gonna go ahead and line our lips with this. And I make sure my lips are nice and dry because when you play around with these, you gotta be careful. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So I like how the top lip lined. The bottom lip didn't line the way I wanted it to line. So you know what? That's okay. Okay. So far so good. So far so good. It's giving. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Juvia's Place. This one is in Nubian Sand. And since I am a nude gal, I just can't go ahead and do the whole fall lip like this. I gotta put a little bit in it. I just do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the middle of my lip. You see? That makes me happy. All that smacking did not wasn't necessary, Kelly. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. We gotta find a gloss, y'all. We gotta find a gloss. We're gonna go simple gloss. I do have some Juvia's Place glosses here that I have not used. So should we see? I'm scared. I haven't even cracked the seal on this. This still got the seal on it. We ain't doing that. We're gonna use a matte lip gloss. This has like sparkles in it, but it comes off super clear. Super clear. Okay. Okay, it's giving fall, but it's giving holiday too because them shimmers is shimmering on. This is giving holiday lip, honey. Ooh, but it looks nice though. I might get into it, y'all. I might get into it. I would start first. I would, you know, this here is something that I've had already. So if I do happen to get into this vampy lip thing, it will definitely stay on the drugstore side because I'm new to this. I'm new to the whole dark lip and all the things like that. But it will definitely, I mean, it looks nice. It looks nice. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So here we have it, y'all. Here is one of many of my fall lip combos. And I want to share with you guys because a lot of you do ask me for fall lips and, you know, how would I do it and what would I use and whatnot. Here is one right now. I can't go full throttle with the dog, but I'm gonna definitely try, and I'm gonna bring more as we progress into this fall season. In addition, that I was gonna leave you, right? Let me know what are some of your dark lipsticks that you like to wear so I can go try them out and we can make some combinations. You know, I love to mix up some good lipstick and make me a little cute little cocktail. So let me know, let me know, let me know, let me know.